Okay, device incoming is a Swagtron Metro Hover Plus hoverboard. The device is coming with a physical abnormality over here. Looks like the wheel has popped out. Customer has stated that after the wheel has fallen off, when he tried to turn it on, there was a little bit of steam and smoke that came out. So it looks like it's experiencing both physical condition symptoms and also electrical symptoms over here. Doesn't appear to have any strong scent of smoke in here, so that's a good thing. This hoverboard may be of non-standard. Oh, a piece of plastic came out. Non-industry standard parts over here. Doesn't appear like the rest of here is made out of aluminum frame. It looks like it's just aluminum shell, aluminum structure just from here to here. So it'll be a little bit of concern when we are servicing it. Another thing that has come to light is that the electronic components over here is burned out near the capacitor. I'll point that out to the customer. If you don't mind, come down here, sir. Looks like the electronic components over here has burned out. So we'll probably have to service this area over here, maybe as an entire assembly. And also the wheels have completely popped out. Usually a mounting bracket has gotten loose, so I might have to re-secure that. Let's see if there's anything else that I see. 14, 15 volts. Let's see what kind of battery system it has as well. Okay, well, I guess it's